Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving into the Arlo Essential 2K Security Camera 2nd Gen, a smart, wireless surveillance solution that's redefining how we secure our homes and offices. If you're looking for a camera setup that combines sharp 2K resolution, intelligent motion detection, and modern design with true wireless convenience, this 2-camera system deserves your attention. Let's start with what makes it special. The Arlo Essential 2K 2nd Gen delivers crisp, detailed footage with 2K HDR resolution. That means you can zoom in on faces, license plates, and fine details without losing clarity. Whether you mount it outdoors to guard your driveway or inside to monitor a room, every frame stays sharp and clear. The built-in spotlight automatically activates when motion is detected, illuminating dark areas and deterring unwanted visitors. Combined with color night vision, you'll see real-world colors even in low light, a huge step above typical black and white night footage. One of the standout features is wireless freedom. These cameras are completely wire-free, powered by rechargeable batteries that last for months on a single charge. Setup is quick: just mount, sync to the Arlo Secure app, and you're ready to monitor from anywhere. With real-time motion alerts, you'll get instant notifications on your phone the moment activity is detected. Communication is seamless thanks to two-way audio, letting you hear and speak directly through the camera. Whether it's greeting a delivery driver or warning an intruder, your voice comes through loud and clear. And yes, it supports live streaming, so you can check in anytime from the app in full 2K quality. Arlo also integrates smartly with major ecosystems including Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Home, giving you voice control and automation flexibility. The cameras are designed for both indoor and outdoor use, featuring weather-resistant construction that can handle rain, heat, or cold without compromising performance. With this 2-camera kit, you can cover more areas: front door and backyard, or office entry and storage. The Arlo Secure subscription unlocks advanced AI detection, cloud storage, and activity zones, making the system even smarter and more personalized. If you're looking for security that's smart, sharp, and easy to manage, the Arlo Essential 2K 2nd Gen offers one of the most balanced packages on the market right now. Ready to upgrade your home protection? Click the Amazon link below to grab your set today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and hit the bell icon for more weekly tech reviews and smart security guides.